Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're transitioning to C major and the C string on viola. In Suzuki Viola Book 1, we've done D major, G major, and now C major. We need C major to finish out the book. Specifically, pages 18, 19, and 20 have exercises. Let's cover those. Page 18. Basically, we're going to be learning about the 1-2 pattern. Close. So in the past, we've had 2 and 3 as being our besties. Now, 1 and 2 can be besties on the D and A string. Let's play that exercise on page 18. Close 1-2 pattern. So first, A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing on the D string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on to page 19. Page 19, we have Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Same fingering that we're always used to playing on the D and the A string, but now we're doing it on C and G. So this is more about reading the notes and seeing where they are on the music staff. All right, so here we go. It's also about, using a little bit more arm weight, getting used to playing on that thicker C string. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there it is. Just use a more focused weight and maybe a little bit smaller bows, and you'll get that traction we need for the C and G. Moving on. At the bottom of page 19, we have a C major scale. All right, C major is the scale of opposites. So we're going to start on open C, and we're going to go all the way up to low 2 on A, and then all the way back. So 2 octaves. And it's the scale of opposites because on the low strings, C and G, we have high 2. On the upper strings, D and A, low 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, turn the page for our last exercise. On page 20, we're going to be doing that transition between, again, the G string and the D string, where the G string will have regular 2 or high 2, and then on the D string we'll have low 2. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Low 2. Kind of creepy sounding, right? But that's going to lead us into our next song, the Bohemian folk song. So that's where I will see you in the next video.